Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm out here at the soccer fields. My daughter's playing this morning. Pretty early, but the lighting is great. I'm using the Synthesis, the Caudabe Synthesis case on my iPhone right now. And I thought, hey, great opportunity to shoot a few clips, talk about this phone case, and showcase it for you guys. So this is the Caudabe Synthesis. It's kind of the tough case in the lineup. So you've got the sheath that's a little bit thinner. You've got the veil that's super thin, and you got the Synthesis that provides kind of the most protection from the Caudabe cases. So it's a great case. It's still pretty thin, but does provide some extra protection. So let's take a look. First, we're going to take a look at the case without the phone in it. I mean, this is just great lighting. You can see a lot of detail. I'm filming this on my iPhone 11 Pro Max 4K 60 frames per second, so very sharp picture, but just want to kind of show you what the case looks like. The back is pretty thin. You can see my fingers through the back of the case. Here's the speaker grill cutouts and the charging port cutout. You can also see the corners are raised in the back, so that actually keeps the back of your case up off of the surface whenever you set it down. Nice camera cutout, has a nice design aesthetic to it as it kind of slopes on the right hand side of that camera cutout. And you can see the corners again there with the raised edges. It does have a kind of a groove or kind of an edge cut out on the sides to help with grip, but it's not the grippiest case in the world. I haven't had any issues with it in terms of the grip, but it is a smoother case than the sheath or the veil when it comes to Caudabe cases. There's a little bit of the inside of the case. And there's that grip again around the sides. There's a little bit of texture there. It does help with grip. Here it is with the phone inside the case. Nice camera cutout there. Here's what the back of the case looks like. Plenty of room for your speaker port. Your power port. Your speaker grills. There's the side again with the phone in it. You can see the mute rocker. No issues with accessing the mute rocker. The buttons are very clicky on this case. It's kind of a soft rubbery material there that's kind of cut a little bit thinner around the button, which makes them extra clicky. I have used this case now for almost a year on and off, so you can see a few marks that have happened on the case, but all in all, it's held up really well. So if you're looking for a nice long-term case, definitely consider the Synthesis. Volume up and down buttons, just kind of showing off the grip of the case. There's the camera cutout a little bit closer up. No issues with setting the phone down on the back. You're going to have plenty of protection from the camera cutout. It does rise above the camera lenses, so don't worry about scratching your camera lenses. Same thing on the front of the case. You have a nice lip around the case. Even with the use of a screen protector here, I get plenty of protection. So if I set it down on the face of the phone, I'm not going to have to worry about scratching the screen. So let's take one more look around the case. Guys, I hope this video helps you in your purchase decision. Really what I wanted to do here was just to kind of give you an up-close look at the case. So if you're looking for something like this, I wanted you to have a really good idea of what the Synthesis would look like on your phone. I think the Synthesis is super sharp. It just looks and fits really nice on the phone. No worries about it slipping off your phone. High quality case. Love this case from Caudabe. Caudabe makes great products. The sheath is probably my favorite case of all time, but the Synthesis is right up there. So have no problems recommending this case at all. If you have any questions, leave me a note down in the comments and I will get back to you as quick as I can. Thanks guys. Later.